Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that could change your life: drinks that can help repair nerve damage. Nerve damage can cause pain, numbness, tingling, weakness, and even paralysis. Conventional medications often just mask the symptoms. But what if I told you there are natural remedies that can actually help repair nerve damage? These remedies work to regenerate your nerves and restore your health. And the best part is they're safe, affordable, and easy to find. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 of my favorite drinks that can help repair nerve damage. Let's get started. Let's start with a drink that many of you probably already have in your kitchen: green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially EGCG, which can protect and regenerate your nerves. Think of it like insulating frayed electrical wires. Green tea is also a natural anti-inflammatory, calming chronic inflammation that can damage your nerves. I recommend drinking 2 to 3 cups per day to experience the nerve-protecting benefits. You can drink it hot or cold, whichever you prefer. And if you want to boost the flavor, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a little bit of honey. Simple and effective. Next, we have a drink that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries: turmeric milk. The secret weapon in turmeric is curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin can help repair damaged nerves by putting out the flames of inflammation. To make turmeric milk, warm up a cup of your favorite milk and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a little bit of honey or maple syrup. The black pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin more effectively. Enjoy this soothing drink daily for its nerve-healing benefits. It's delicious and powerful. Now, who doesn't love a refreshing smoothie? This next drink isn't just delicious, it's packed with nerve-protecting nutrients. We're talking about the mighty blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are bursting with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which protect your nerves from damage. They also help improve communication between your nerves. Making a blueberry smoothie is super simple. Just toss a handful of blueberries into a blender with a cup of your favorite milk, a scoop of protein powder if you like, and a few ice cubes. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy, and enjoy. A tasty way to boost your nerve health. Let's move on to a drink known for its soothing properties: ginger tea. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. By reducing inflammation, ginger can help create a healing environment for your nerves. Ginger also helps improve blood circulation, ensuring your nerves get the nourishment they need to heal and regenerate. To make ginger tea, simply slice a few pieces of fresh ginger root and simmer them in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a bit of honey for taste. Sip on this soothing tea 2 to 3 times a day to experience its nerve-healing benefits. It's a simple yet effective remedy. Finally, we have a drink that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful for nerve health: aloe vera juice. Aloe vera contains a special compound called achamanan, which has incredible healing properties. Achamanan can help repair damaged nerves by reducing inflammation, protecting nerves from further damage, and stimulating the growth of new nerve cells. You can find aloe vera juice at most health food stores. Just make sure you get the unsweetened variety, as added sugar can be harmful to your nerves. Drink a 1/4 cup of aloe vera juice daily to experience its nerve-healing benefits. It's a natural wonder you don't want to miss. Give it a try. So there you have it, 5 powerful drinks that can help repair nerve damage and reclaim your health. Remember, your health is in your hands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. By sharing this information, you could help someone you love take control of their health and experience the incredible benefits of natural healing. Let us know in the comments which drink you'll be trying first. I can't wait to hear about your journey to healthy nerves.